This is your MONERIS merchant statement. The first section is called the sales summary by card type. It lists the type of cards, amount of transactions, volume, and average ticket price. Next, we have the section Other Card Types or Products. This is where American Express would appear. Next is your monthly summary, where you'll find the total amount you paid in fees. Below, you'll see your daily activity summary. This is a list of your daily volume amounts, and it can continue on for several pages sometimes. Next, you will see the section Financial Details. This is a list of each deposit into your account. Next is the section entitled Interchange Differential Analysis. This is the difference between 1.42%, the base rate cost, and the interchange rate for each different card. All merchants must pay the interchange rate plus the 1.42%, as this is the cost that Visa and MasterCard charge the processor for the transaction. In the next section, you will see your transaction fees. This is where MONERIS combines both the cost and their profit together. The Visa transaction is the total Visa volume, amount of transactions, and the base rate they charge. Now, we already know that cost is 1.42%. So at 1.64%, there is a markup of 0.22% on all transactions. The Visa interchange differential fee is the amount that was charged to cover the difference between 1.42% and the cost of the different types of cards. This is paid by all merchants. The Visa non-qualified fee is charged on all cards that are keyed in or are part of the interchange differential as a surcharge. If you take your total non-qualified fees, here it's $28.95, and divide it by your gross Visa volume, here being $15,936.71, you will get an average of 0.18% above cost. The Visa refund transaction fee is where you will see what you're being charged to complete a refund. The Visa card brand fee is what MONERIS calls the assessment fee. As you can see on the interchange table, the assessment fees are 0.08%. So there is a markup of 0.04%. If you follow the same procedure for MasterCard, you'll find the markup is the same. The Interact transaction fee is your fee of 5 cents per transaction, which is pretty standard in the industry. Next is the service fees section. This is where you'll see what your terminal rental is, any service fees, and the charge for paper statements. So to summarize all the fees, there is a 0.23% markup on the base rate, a 0.18% markup on the non-qualified fees, and a 0.04% markup on the card brand fees, bringing your total sum in markups to 0.45%. With total merchant services, these markups are eliminated and replaced with one single markup from the processor.